Hey folks, how you doing today? So we just got this in. Somebody did a really nice job of restoring it. I believe it's from the 1930s, and it's a peanut, and it's manufactured by the modern vending machine, 1 cent peanut vending machine. Very nicely done, works great, has the original little cash box in there, so when the pennies go in, you can lift them right out in its original cash box. The way this worked was really quite simple. You put your money in there, you push it in, you bring it out. But the cute thing is here, there's two little things, and you have to open it, and that's when your peanuts fall into your hand. So they don't automatically just fall onto the ground or the table. Once they come out in this little dip, right here, then you just go like that, and you get them, and it was left or right-handed. Great little job on it. It's been fully restored. This has a cast iron base on it. Okay, so it was made with cast iron and thick sheet metal. Came out very nice.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.